Welcome everyone to my channel, and today's video is Transformers Legends Class Ratchet. This figure is a very nice figure. It's a good repaint, sorry about that, and good articulation, not bad for Legends Class. So I'm not going to talk very much about it, but just show you the caramel. So from the back it doesn't look very good, but other than that it's nice in caramel, so don't talk much about it, let's transform it. First of all, on his legs. These are the arms. Just put it up there. Keep it down like this, so they roll it. There it is. Robot mount. So it's an easy transformation, not a very difficult transformation, and the articulation is not that bad. I mean, you can move his legs and his arms. Kind of a not bad. It's intermediate transformation, but the articulation, it's not that bad too. It's kind of bad because it doesn't move very much legs, and the arms it moves them, but doesn't move like the hands and other stuff, other articulation. That's it. That's the articulations. Only his arms and his legs. So that's it for Ratchet. I will rank this figure 4 out of 10. The paint is very well. I like the paint, but the transformation is simple. It's okay, but the articulation, that's where it's not good. That's where I would say get 5 out of 10. That's it, the rating. That's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time.